What if the birth of 12 gods literally tore the entire planet apart? In the beginning, Gaia's Earth body appeared perfectly calm and stable, but deep within her core, something unprecedented was happening. 12 divine beings were growing simultaneously inside the planet itself. As the Titans developed, violent earthquakes began splitting continents apart. Her divine contractions pushed entire mountain ranges up from the ground. Ocean basins cracked open like wounds across her surface. Then came the screams of divine childbirth. Her cries triggered volcanic eruptions worldwide as tectonic plates shifted violently. The very atmosphere trembled with each labor pain. Finally, at the moment of birth, the Earth's crust exploded open at 12 different locations. Fully formed divine giants emerged, covered in molten rock and primordial earth. Their first breaths changed the composition of the air itself. This single pregnancy reshaped the entire world through divine labor pains.